Dear students, hope you all doing good. Today we are going to start a new lesson, force and motion. The learning objectives of this lesson are to define distance, displacement, speed, velocity and acceleration. To understand this lesson, you must know the definitions of distance, displacement, speed, velocity and acceleration. Another objective is to differentiate distance and displacement, speed and velocity. Also to draw and explain distance, time and velocity time graphs and general applications of center of gravity and stability in day-to-day life. Force and motion. Force. What is force? Push or pull upon an object is called force. Examples of force are gravitational force, frictional force, atomic force, magnetic force, etc. You have already learnt about this topic, force, in your lower classes. Now, what is motion? Motion is defined as change with time of the position of an object. Change with time of the position of an object. Examples of motion are rotary motion, oscillatory motion, linear motion, curvilinear motion. Like that, there are many types of motion. This topic also you have learned already in 6th standard. Which is the longest path? Take a twine, measure the distance between school and playground and school and house. You will observe that path B covers long distance than path A. When an object travels from one place to another, it will reach faster if it travels along the straight line path. When an object travels from one place to another, it will reach faster if it travels along the straight line path. So, you can reach playground quickly than home. Students, let us learn definitions of distance and displacement. Distance is defined as the total length of a path taken by an object to reach one place from other is called distance. Total length of a path taken by an object to reach one place from the other. So this is the distance between two places. These are the distance between two places. Distance is a scalar quantity and it is measured in meters. And what is displacement? Displacement is the shortest distance from initial to final position of an object. That is overall change in position of an object and it should cover shortest distance. If the path is like this, you can call it as displacement. Once again I repeat it. Distance is the total length of the path taken by an object. Total length of the path taken by an object. And displacement means shortest distance between the initial and final position of an object. Displacement is a vector quantity, and both distance and displacement possess the same unit. It is measured in meters, which is a SI unit. Here the picture represents motion of a person from A and B. A person moves from home to school in path 1 is 12 kilometers. Path 1 covers 12 kilometer distance. When he travels in path 2, the distance covered is 7 kilometer. The straight path between A and B covers 5 kilometer. So the displacement is 5 kilometer. Path 1 and path 2 are distances between A and B. Students, an object is traveling from A to B and the direction is given here. What is its displacement? This one 120 meters or 40 meters? Yes, 40 meters is the displacement here, because 120 meters is the distance covered by the object and 40 meters is the shortest distance between A and B. So 40 meters is its displacement. The displacement of the object is 40 meters in northeast direction. Speed. What is speed? We have already learnt in 6th standard. Speed is rate of change of distance with respect to time. The formula is speed S equal to distance by time. The SI unit of speed is meter per second. Velocity. Velocity is defined as rate of change in displacement of an object. Velocity is defined as rate of change in displacement of an object. Velocity V is equal to displacement by time. Its unit is meter per second. What is the difference between speed and velocity? Speed of a body is the distance travelled by it per unit time. Speed of a body is distance travelled by it per unit time. Velocity of a body is the distance travelled by it per unit time in given direction. Speed is a scalar quantity. Velocity is a vector quantity. Speed cannot be zero. Speed cannot be zero, but velocity can be zero. Let us recall distance and displacement. Distance is the length of the actual path covered by an object, irrespective of its direction of motion. Displacement is the shortest distance between initial and final position of an object in a given direction. Distance is a scalar quantity. Displacement is a vector quantity. Distance between two given points may be same or different for different path chosen. Distance between the two points may be same or different. But for displacement, the values are always the same between two given points. Displacement is the shortest distance between 2 points, so the value is always same for 2 points. Students, today we have learned what is force, what is motion, and what is distance and displacement, and speed and velocity. I am giving you a small assignment. Learn the definitions for all these terms. Thank you.